Have you ever played chess? The best players never reveal their next move. They keep their strategy hidden, forcing their opponent to make mistakes. That is exactly what law number 3 of the 48 laws of power teaches us. Conceal your intentions. But why is this so powerful? And how can you use it in real life? Let me tell you a story. Imagine a magician. If he told you how his trick works before performing it, would you be amazed? No. Power works the same way. When people cannot figure out your plans, they cannot defend against them. This law is about lying. It is about staying silent, misleading politely, and revealing only what benefits you. Let's understand by the help of a historical example of the Trojan horse. Remember the Trojan horse? The Greeks pretended to surrender, hiding soldiers inside a giant wooden horse. The Trojan, thinking they had won, brought it into their city. Boom! Night fell, Greeks attacked, and Troy was destroyed. The lesson: never let your enemy see your real plan. Now, a modern example of business and politics. Steve Jobs was a master of this. Before launching the iPhone, he let Nokia and BlackBerry believe phones needed keywords. Secretly, Apple was working on a touchscreen revolution. Result: competitors were caught off guard, and Apple dominated. Silence is power. How to use this law? First, smoke screen tactics. Talk about plan B loudly while silently working on plan A. Second, play the pawn. Act naive or uninterested to avoid suspicion, like a poker player hiding a strong hand. Control your emotions. Anger or excitement reveals intentions. Stay calm like a spy on a mission. So, will you announce your goals to the world, or will you play the game wisely? Drop a comment. I hide my plans if you agree. And don't forget, law number 4 is even more dangerous. Want me to explain it next? Smash that like button and subscribe.